Hello students, same I will show you how to apply border and shading into the paragraph and page border into the text into the document, and how to apply change text case. I will show you by doing practical. So which software I will open? We are learning Microsoft Word. I have to open Microsoft Word from the start menu. I have to click on start menu, then I have to click on Microsoft Word. Okay, I have to maximize this screen and we will type the text for applying border into the paragraph. This you will have to type the text and to apply this text. I think all of you are able to see. I am to apply this text. I am to apply this paragraph border. I have to select this paragraph. After that, click on home tab. I already told you these are the tabs. The first uppermost bar is the title bar, and after click on tabs, automatically change the toolbars. So I have to select this text. After select this text and paragraph. After select this text or a paragraph, click on home tab, click on border tool. From the click on home tab, click on border button. From the font group, okay, these are the font group. You have to click on this arrow, we will find these are the borders. No need to click this border. You have to click on border and shading window for appearing border and shading window. As for your book, you have to click on this border and shading window. You have to find this border and shading window. These are the settings: none, box, shadow, 3D, custom. I have to click on box, then click on line style. Whatever line your choice, you can select this line, and you can select color also. Okay, from the color box, and select the line thickness for width of the line. This way you can select the line thickness from the width. Okay, again I will show you. You have to click on this paragraph text, click on home tab, click on border button arrow. No need to click this option, just click on border and shading option. After clicking this option, we will find border and shading window. We have to click box, we have to click on shadow. As for our choice, I will click box. I will select line style. These are the lines. I can select line style. As for our choice, we can select color, whatever color you want. You can select width of the line. Okay, after they click on OK, we will find this paragraph is under one border. Okay, I think all of you understand. If you want to apply full page border, this one is our page number 1. I am to apply full page border. Then click on click on home tab. If you are in another tab, just another tab, click on home tab and click on border and shading option. Click on border and shading, click on page border. We will find same line style, color, width, and one more thing you will find art. These are the border style. If I select this, then all the pages appear with this style. Okay, otherwise you can select normal box, normal shade, as for your choice. So I will select art. Okay, and I can select the thickness of this border this way. This arrow is for increasing the width, and this arrow is for decreasing the width. I am going to decrease the width. I think all of you are able to see. After that, click on where? Okay, look at this. This page is fully page border. This way you can apply the paragraph border and page border. Now look at that. Now look at that. I am to apply the process of digitalization. Okay, I am to apply this text changing, text case. We have to select this text. I have put this under one border, then all of you are able to see easily. We have to select this text, then click on where, then click on home tab. After click on home tab, we will find these are the arrows for changing the what? Changing case. Changing case is available under home tab. We have to click on this arrow. After that, click on AA. This AA, capital A and small a. We have to click on this arrow under font group. We will find the change key option. I need to apply all the text alphabets capital. Then click on uppercase. Look at that. This case is upper. We have to click on toggle case. For that, look at that. This text are toggle case. We have to click on this arrow and to capitalize each word. Look at that. This way you can apply the change case, or we can apply Shift plus F3 key for capitalize your changing your change keys. No need to go this option. Just you can apply shortcut keys from the keyboard, Shift plus F3. This way you can change the sentence case, lower case, upper case, capital case, toggle case, whatever your choice. I think all of you understood. Please go through this practical. If you having computer at your home, please go to practical. Otherwise, I will show you same when the school. Thank you all.